Kitchens today are overflowing with tools, cookware, and daily clutter, yet the one thing that always seems to fall short is good counter space. It doesn't matter if you cook every day or only on weekends. Dish drying becomes a daily routine that quietly eats into time and energy. Most people accept that the process is messy, slow, and inconvenient. But once you experience a better system, you wonder why you settled for less. That is exactly the impact this Andup dish drying rack, two-tier space-saving dish rack with drainboard creates from the first day you place it in your kitchen. This dish rack doesn't just hold dishes. It transforms the workflow of your cooking space. It gives structure to a cluttered counter, saves space in tight apartments, and brings the kind of organization that smooths out your entire routine. What makes the Andup rack stand out is how thoughtfully it is designed. From its two-tier layout to its rust-resistant materials, from its spacious drainboard to its almost effortless installation. It manages to look sleek while also performing at a level that outclasses the usual racks people rely on. Let's start with the design. The rack has an understated, modern appearance with clean lines and a balanced frame. It instantly blends into kitchens of any style, minimalist, contemporary, rustic, or even professional setups. The finish feels sturdy without being bulky, and the two-tier structure gives you more vertical storage without eating into precious counter space. The top tier is perfect for plates and bowls, while the lower tier can comfortably hold cups, glassware, and larger items. The structure itself feels solid, and even when fully loaded, it doesn't shake or wobble. The craftsmanship is something you notice the moment you assemble it, or rather, don't assemble it. This is one of the standout features. The entire unit installs without screws, tools, or complicated instructions. You simply place the frame on your counter, attach the drainboard, and it's ready within a minute. Compared to traditional dish racks that require tightening bolts, aligning metal parts, or following multi-step instructions, this screw-free system feels refreshing. It's perfect for people who want efficiency without spending time building yet another kitchen accessory. Durability is a serious strength here. Many dish racks claim to be rust-resistant, but wear down within months of exposure to water. The Andup rack truly holds up. Its corrosion-resistant frame is engineered to withstand daily moisture, steam, dishwashing runoff, and frequent cleaning without bending or discoloring. The detachable parts feel strong and secure, built to handle the weight of full dinner sets, utensils, mugs, and serveware. Even as you load heavy ceramic dishes or cookware, the rack maintains its balance and shape. The two-tier configuration instantly upgrades the space efficiency of the counter. The top level gives you quick access to recently washed plates, while the lower level works well for bowls, small pots, containers, and larger utensils. Everything has a designated place, which helps your kitchen feel more organized. No more dishes stacked haphazardly or leaning against each other. No more cluttered sinks or piling items that take forever to dry. The drainboard is one of the rack's most practical touches. Instead of water spilling across the counter or pooling under the rack, the board directs drips straight toward your sink. This keeps the surface dry and clean, an overlooked detail that saves wiping again and again after every wash. For people who live in apartments, RVs, or small kitchens where every inch matters, this feature is especially valuable. It reduces mold growth, prevents watermarks, and keeps the counter looking tidy even during heavy cooking days. Another strong advantage is how versatile the Andup rack is. It excels not just in standard kitchen setups, but also on bar counters, shared spaces, studio apartments, and mobile homes. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for tight layouts, while the two-tier structure maximizes vertical space in a smart, practical way. You can use it as your main dish drying station or as additional storage for cups, pantry items, prep tools, or small appliances. Convenience also shows through in the small touches, like the anti-slip pads that grip the countertop securely. Even when you place heavy dishes or load the top tier unevenly, the base doesn't slide around. The rack stays anchored whether the surface is dry, wet, or slick. This stability gives a level of confidence you don't get with lightweight, lower-quality racks. What sets the Andup rack apart from similar products is the balance between appearance and performance. Many kitchen organizers look good but lack long-term durability. Others are strong but bulky or unattractive. The Andup rack strikes the right balance. It looks modern and clean, yet it performs consistently. It makes your kitchen workflow smoother, faster, and easier. The two-tier structure saves time. The drainboard saves cleanup. The materials save you from replacing it every year to give you a clearer picture. Here are the core features that make the Andup two-tier dish drying rack a standout option for any kitchen. Key features and highlights. Two-tier height design to maximize vertical space on smaller counters, rust-resistant and corrosion-proof frame for long-term durability. Detachable components for easy cleaning and flexible arrangement. That's screw-free installation for fast, no-hassle setup. Sleek black finish that complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Spacious drip tray that channels water directly into the sink. That anti-slip pads for stability even when fully loaded. Strong structure holds multiple dishes, cups, utensils, and more. Ideal for apartments, RVs, small kitchens, and maximize counter use. Daily advantages. The more you use this rack, the more you appreciate how well it handles real life. Whether you're washing dishes after dinner, prepping meals, cleaning up during a busy morning, or simply organizing your cooking tools, the rack keeps everything tidy. It becomes a central part of the kitchen, a silent helper that takes the pressure off your routine. The IT also shines on crowded days when your sink fills quickly. Having a two-tier structure means you can spread out drying dishes without stacking or risking breakage. And because the rack keeps everything elevated and spaced apart, airflow works faster, helping dishes dry more quickly. For people who value efficiency, practicality, and clean design, the Andup rack offers a meaningful upgrade that improves daily life without adding complexity. Why this rack is worth buying. It saves space in tight environments. That IT keeps counters cleaner and drier. That IT requires no assembly tools. That IT stays sturdy under heavy loads. That IT looks modern and blends with any kitchen theme. This isn't just another dish rack. It's a reliable, space-enhancing organizer that helps maintain a cleaner, calmer, and more functional kitchen. It's also a long-term investment in convenience. Once you experience how much smoother your daily routine becomes, it's hard to imagine going back to a single-tier or poorly designed rack. If you're searching for a dependable, attractive, and thoughtfully engineered drying solution, the Andup dish drying rack is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.